I just got the phone call I was waiting for. This beauty right here, she's gonna get an exhaust. I just got the phone call that it's in, the UPS just dropped it off, and I am on my way to pick it up. Oh my goodness. This thing looks sick. Even in the shrink wrap. Alrighty, so this is the beginning of the install of the exhaust. As you can see, I already lifted it up in the rear because that's obviously where the exhaust is. And it's easier if you put one jack on one side and one on the other and lift them like kind of at the same time. Do a few pumps here, a few pumps there, because the car, since it's mid-engine, it kind of wants to wobble around. So just do like 2-3 pumps here, go on the other side, do the same thing, and slowly lift it up, and that way it won't wobble around. So there it is. Now that it's lifted, I'm going to start taking off the old exhaust. Alright, so if you come on the passenger side, there's 3 bolts on here. Right over here, see? Right there. 1, 2, and there's one on the other side. You gotta take off. And then you come on the driver's side, and there is 3 right here. You gotta take off. Right. Check with my finger. Right here. 1, 2, and 3. 6 bolts, and obviously try to use some WD-40. They seem a little bit rusted, so. But in this pack you get, you sent me right here. They give you a whole set of 2 gaskets and bolts, screws, and washers and whatnot. So even if those other ones break apart, it's okay because you got a new set here. So let's try to take off those 6 bolts. Alrighty, it's a size right here, 14. See if we can take it off. I'm going to show you guys something that's going to be useful and helpful. So right here on this or here I was showing you guys, there's 1, 2, and 1 up top. Well, the one at the top you can't really put, see if I can show you, it's over here. right there. You can't really put a wrench because it just keeps hitting this pipe, or he keeps hitting on the top of the exhaust, and you just cannot shove just like a regular wrench there. So what you gotta do, look at the extension I put right here. Like, there it goes. So all the way over there. That's that's my extension. So I'm gonna attempt to unscrew it now. So let's see how it's gonna work out. I already had it loosened up a little bit before I started the video, but I figured I'd show you guys that there's a really easy way to get the big bolt off. I think now it's pretty loose. Let me go under there and check it. Kinda. Still be easier with the wrench. So just like that, little tricks. Because I was trying to figure out, I'm like, how am I gonna take it off? And then I was like, oh, a bunch of extensions. So there it is. I think it's pretty loose now. Oh yeah. Do it with my hand now. And there it is. Easy like that. Now just go do the other side as well. By the way, this is the wrench I was telling you about. And all my extensions. That's the only way to get it out. Pretty long. There she is. This thing is heavy. I'm like out of breath. That's gonna be a weight reduction for sure. I haven't been this out of breath in forever. Oh man. Okay, I think they didn't send they didn't send new grommets, so you just use these original ones. So let's take these off. See, grommets. Alrighty, I installed the old grommets right here on the new exhaust. It goes up like that. And then here's again the gaskets right here. The new washers, and then and these ones just go. Let me show you guys. Right here. The perfect fitment. Usually when you buy aftermarket stuff, it doesn't fit right. But this right here, Pride exhaust, did a really good job. Okay, and this will go right here. Look at all this room now here. Wow. This car is looking better and better each day. All right, let's get this exhaust on. Alrighty, so let me show you one more time underneath how it looks now. There's all the new hardware, bolts, and those washers underneath, nice and clean. This grommet is on. This other one in the back is on as well. Let's go check the other side. There it is, nice and clean, everything on. There's this grommet right here on. and one up over, where is it at? Right here. Back on. It looks much better now. And he's gonna be selling his stock one, so if anyone wants to buy the stock one, or if they need to put a stock one back on their car, this one will be for sale. So just let me know in the comments. We'll send it over to you guys. All right, now let's get her lowered and do a first time cold start on this NSX. There she is. I'm gonna go do some driving videos, see how it's gonna sound. I'm not sure if the video does any justice to the sound, but it obviously sounds so much better now. Let's do another pull here. The exhaust has been installed. I hope you guys like it. Obviously, it's not the same as you would hear it in person. The way it sounds, but if you want to get more of that exotic sound, a little more of it I should say, you have to do headers and it'll get you that better sound. So but it sounds way better now, night and day difference. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll show you guys. There it is right there. Looks quite amazing. He's also getting a stock bumper put back on it, so I will be posting more videos of this car as it progresses, but it already looks much better. And obviously, you know, you gotta have that SpeedGarage banner. But if you guys like this content, let me know. I'll get more cars out there and make some more modifications, and we'll just keep on rolling on. So, alrighty guys, peace out. Y'all have a good night. I'll see you guys later.